everyone. Welcome to Zhangsheng Wood Chipper World. This is Carrie from Zhangsheng Machinery. Today, let me introduce wood chipper for you. Okay, let's go.
This model 2110D drum wood chipper has a capacity of 15 to 25 tons per hour. The wood logs can be crushed into uniform wood chips with a size of 20 to 100 mm, which can be adjusted through the spring. The branches, boughs, and other material can also be crushed. The rubber belt conveyor as a feeding conveyor, which helps the logs feed at uniform speed. The feeding inlet width is 125 cm and the height is 35 cm, which has 4 rollment of cast steel tools for more uniform feeding. This drum wood chipper is equipped with a bearing box made of cast steel, which is durable. The rotor diameter is 105 cm with 2 blades, 3 blades, and more. Adapt the chain transmission. The bottom conveyor can quickly transfer the wood chips to the next conveyor, maintain a uniform conveying speed, and improve the transmission efficiency. The hydraulic pump station can deliver hydraulic oil to the hydrogen tank. It supports power for the hydraulic system and buffer system of the whole machine. This chipper is equipped with a high-power electric motor. The diesel engine driven is also optional by the working conditions of customers.